Good Lord. Let's see here. This will tell me what sort of line I've got to work with patching wise over here too. Okay. Got 24. Ooh. 24 and 3/16 there. I think I can mess with that after I get this tile in. The main thing is to try to fit this tile in. Okay? And I guess, you know what? Silly. I can just take this and move it out of the way, can't I? I could do that. And then push it into place. I could do that too. Why I didn't think of that. It's almost where it should be. Let's see, I can just take that and slide it out of the way. Okay. If that's what you would have done, give yourself an A+. Okay. At least this will tell me what I have to do when I get ready to install the tiles for real, right? So I'm kind of glad I'm doing this, because it's really going to tell me a lot about how I can go about patching my walls, right? Yeah. Okay. Boy, this thing's heavy. I believe how heavy these things are. Come on, Joe, you can do it, Joe, come on. Good grief. There she be. There she go. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Hey, that one looks good. Right about where she is. Okay, so then this one will move over like that. Let's hope that this one fit in there. Right? caddy. Ah, silly. It's like this one here has got to move out a little bit. Mercy me, look how far out it's sticking. And it might be, I'm just going to have to recut this. That's silly. See, I didn't move that. I did not move this wall. Let's see how far off it is. It's about a 1/4 inch, which means this had to be shifted. The next one would have to be slightly shifted. I don't know. I'm gonna do all that. Good Lord. And I might just have to, based on what's left and how this other stuff lines up. So I need to do a happy medium to get this one cocked in there. Good Lord. See there? See how that tile doesn't fit the wall? But it would fit the wall if it was pushed over to the left. And see how far off it is right there? Look, 3/8 of an inch. And if I had that pushed over, that would line this up better. Because right now this is sticking over the edge, and that's where the old stair riser came up. Now this doesn't have to be flush with the stair riser. It could be slightly out, but then that's going to affect exactly where I put this last piece. But I'm thinking this has to be slid out a little bit at this end so that could be pushed in. See there? Okay, so I'm thinking there's a couple different things. I may have to pull that out just slightly, just a little, and then also take these and push them that way just a little bit, and that would help that to a certain extent, but not much, because I can't push that up tighter to the wall at that end. See? Over there. So, and all these tiles fit initially, see? These were all the tiles that were taken out. So I'm going to have to see what the deal is, the dealio is. See how none of these tiles, see how big of a gap that one has? I mean, they're all being thrown off. So this first tile, I might have to put a slight gap right there and push it over that way. And that will help the next tile, so forth and so on. Okay, so I'm gonna work on these tiles and see if I can't get that to line up. See, because I'm doing a dry run on this, I know that these tiles all should fit rather closely, okay? Because they all were fitting in here before. So I don't want to start thinking, oh, all I'll do is shave off the end of that, you know, 1/2 inch to nothing, push it over, get that in line, because this next line over here might not line up exactly, and then this next piece at the end could be short. I mean, there's lots of different things that could happen. So I want to do the best I can with the tiles that I have here without having to shave anything off, okay? Well, it looks better. I still have to do some finagling, and it might mean shifting some blocks here and there, but I'm going to go ahead and put in the next row. I got that one over there, and I've got 4 big tiles. Boom, 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 boom. And then we'll see what it looks like after that.